Welcome to Venture Window, one of New England's leading window, door, and siding companies. With 35 years experience, Venture has the knowledge and expertise to do the job right. Whether it's windows, siding, doors, roofing, or skylights, Venture has choices from dozens of the nation's leading manufacturers. In addition to a huge selection of products, Venture has the expertise for all types of projects, from residential to institutional to commercial to historic. And when it comes to prices, Venture is a wholesale distributor for all the products we sell, so nobody can beat our prices. Best of all products are installed by our own crews, so quality is guaranteed. Check out our 5-star ratings and testimonials on Google, Angie's List, Yelp, or the Better Business Bureau. Come visit our 2,500 square foot showroom conveniently located in Cranston, where you will find a large selection of products from the nation's leading manufacturers, or call for a free in-home consultation. Most products we sell also offer a lifetime warranty, and we service everything we sell. Remember, nothing ventured, nothing gained.